Today, we are hunting the fucking monkey. We are going to stab the monkey and take its dick for our own.
Alright, Jack, your turn to go kill the monkey. Go kill the monkey.
No! No, bitch!
Back trying to explain stuff.
Ian, you at bottom, no climby climb. Me, shut up. You, hey, jump, run. You, go, shut the fuck up.
Hi guys, what's going on? I am going to an outdoor cinema, which does sound very crazy, very different, but I think I'm gonna give it a go, see if I enjoy it. I'm off there now. I'll take some pictures. I'll record a few things there, here and then. I'm gonna have to walk through woods to get there, and then we're gonna be sat on hay bales, so that'll be fun. And anyway, I'll see you guys later after the video. Bye.
Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into